So yeah, we got in Ruku at 74 in Trappers Anonymous. I said a long time ago. I said, yo, and here's why we got in it. We got into Ruku at 74 because at the time Ruku was they have the software inside and stream. This was the beginning of streaming wars. They was at the head. They ran up. So we ate it. We ate that for a while. But let me tell you something. So the man said something that was amazing. What he said about Tesla, and he said he loves Tesla. Here's what he said. He said, I love Tesla, but I can't own it because as a fund manager, he has to explain price dips to the fund. So the thing about Tesla is this, and this is real talk. Tesla will go up, but it will go down the same way it ran up. Like, it's dope to hear that it's running up, but Tesla can go down 30. Tesla is the one company that will go down 20, 30% in a week. And you be like, yo, what happened? You know what I'm saying? Like the market just deals with Tesla right there. Like that's how they, like Tesla will, that's why ARK was down 40% on a year. Cause Tesla was getting whipped, right? 2020 people said Tesla will go down, and it did. It did go down. It did go down. Tesla did go down. It ran up, it goes down. That's just the nature of the market, though. That's just the nature of the market. Nothing go up forever, right? And so with the man, what he's saying was, as a person who manages people's money, right? So as a fund manager, you always have to explain to the clients what's going on. And as a fund manager, you have to have a logical explanation to explain that to people. And he was like, with Tesla, he just can't explain it. Like, he can explain why it goes up. He can't, because Tesla actually moves in a momentum stock. And then when it goes down, it just crashes extremely hard. And so he can't explain that to people. So you say that's why you manage your own fund. Well, this is why we teach to manage our own fund. But the fund business is a $146 billion business and growing. Wealth management, asset management, financial planning management. It's a $146 billion business and growing. So there's a lot of people that don't manage their own funds. Right? So, no, Tesla had that type of volatility before BTC, before Bitcoin holdings. It's been that. It's been that because of who Elon is. It's been that because of what the company is. It's just the way it is. You know what I'm saying? So it's just the way it is, man. So, you know, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. And I like that. I mean, it is what it is, man. So let's see. ETF It is up next. How y'all feeling? It's your boy, man, Wallstreet Trappin, man. Y'all know my goal to help the culture build wealth one share at a time. Listen, be on the lookout for my new podcast coming to Wealth Connect. It's going to be different. You know, we're going to talk that talk the way we talk that talk. You know what I'm saying? You know, we're going to do that the way we do that. If you want to join Trappers Anonymous, that's my group. It's $47 a month, man. I got to make my post for the day in the group. I ain't even make my post. So we have conversations every day about different things. We have live classes on Sundays. We have live book clubs this Thursday. I give a lot of game there about stocks, ETFs, everything, man. We just break things down. I think I'm gonna start back doing like live classes like once a month in the group too. Just doing a live random class where they can just ask me questions, a Q&A. I think I'm gonna bring that back. November we got a paintball game coming up. Where I'm buying out the arena for the trappers. Just for the trappers. It's not for everybody. It's just for the trappers. Tesla passes $1 trillion valuation. All right, let's check it out, y'all. Let's see what they're talking about.
years
Volume 84.
For Tesla to get to that milestone. Our Phil LeBeau joining us quickly before we do final trades. Phil, it's nothing short of remarkable.
And it's a little over 10 years as far as being a publicly traded company for Tesla to get to a $1 trillion valuation. Look, we all knew it was going to happen at some point, especially after the Q3 earnings came in better than expected.
Less than 10 years.
And I think increasingly Wall Street, you saw with Adam Jonas's note raising the price target, people were saying,
know what that means? Man, that means Elon probably made about, he probably made about 8-9 billion today.
Yeah, no question. Phil, I know you don't get out of that chair, Phil, because the exchange is...
Nah, man, I don't know how, family. I've been trying, family. I don't know how, man. I don't know how. Yes, Queen, I do teach buying stocks.
Illumina, leading manufacturer
Yep.
of genomic sequencing machines. I think the Braille acquisition noise gives you a chance to get into a multi-decade grower.
Yeah, so he made I think he probably made about $20 billion because Tesla went up $80. So he probably $81. I bet you he probably made about 20 billion a day.
All right, Farmer Jim.
Qualcomm reports next week.
All right, Rob Seachin.
JPM.
All right, guys, good to see everybody.
Let's see right quick. Let's see. I want to see if we printing today. Let's see how much we printing. Let's see how much our options printed today. Let's see how much our options printed today. I know my long-term thing is printing. I know that's printing. We don't even got to worry about that. Let's see how much we printing today in options. Okay. Another 26K day. Okay. Another 26K day. Okay. We printing today. We printing today. I'm gonna have an options class coming up. We definitely printing today. Let's see. We printing today, y'all. Get off my thing, man. We trying to talk to the travel. We printing today, y'all. We printing today. We printing today. We printing today. We printing today, man. We okay. We printing today. We printing today. We gonna print. That's the one thing I'm gonna do, man. We gonna print today. We gonna print today. We gonna print the way we supposed to print. You feel me? We gonna print. I keep telling y'all, listen. I do options different than everybody else, yo. But one thing I know for sure and two for sure is we gonna print. We gonna print. We gonna print that money. To begin with the knowledge, if you're a beginner, you should do one or two things. You should either DM me the word big trap so you can get the Wall Street Trappin course so you can know from A to Z about investing, how to invest. I'm a fan of people learning. I'm a fan. I'm gonna just keep it real. I am a fan of people learning how to long-term invest first. Because when you're doing options, you're trading. There's a difference between trading and investing. There's a difference between trading and investing. There's a big difference. I'm a fan of you learning how to long-term invest first because you always want your wealth working for you, right? That's why I don't really be checking on my long-term account because I know that's good money. That's good money. That's going to make me money regardless. My long-term going to make me money. That's my money machine. That thing is always printing money. I'm going to become a millionaire, multi-millionaire off the money machine, off that. The reason why people, let me go into a little rant right quick. Most people will fail at trading because they don't know how to invest, right? So for me, I mastered long-term investing before I even got into trading. When I was learning options, the way I was learning them, I was 50-50. So I didn't want to teach it. I didn't want to teach it until I 100% said, I know this. And I found one, so I work on multiple strategies, but I like to master one strategy. Like I like to master something before I can teach it to people. Like I'm gonna be real, like there's a lot of people that talk about trading on this app and that's cool, right? I'm probably the only person that talks about fundamental investing the way that I do because it's not sexy. So because people so focused on you learning trading, they don't want to teach you fundamental investing. Fundamental investing is the one thing that's going to grow your wealth forever. Forever. Like learning how to break down a business, like learning how to buy that business at a discount, learning how to put a price target on that business, learning how to do a discounted cash flow analysis, learning about why you need to have what kind of dividends, learning about that. Like that is important. When I teach people that, is because I am making sure that you are learning how to build wealth. Like when you trading, even now that I trade heavy, I'm now teaching people, listen, even when you trade, I do it in the options masterclass. I said, when you trade, when you get your wins, a portion of that is supposed to go right back to your long-term investments. You're supposed to put some back into your trading account and then some into your clip that you're ready to invest with again. Like my money from my options, it goes to three things. My money from my options go, okay, how much did I made? Okay, cool. When I cash out, it's like, okay, this part has to go back to my long-term account because that's the account that matters the most to me. My long-term accounts matter most to me, right? Boom. Okay, some of this got to go to my dividend portfolio too. Boom, so that go to my dividend portfolio. Some of this got to go back into the options portfolio. Okay, cool, that's gonna go back to the option portfolio. And then I can take a little bit if I want, but I never cash out of my options account. I've never cashed out to put in my pocket. Never. All my money is to keep being recycled to make more money for me. You feel me? So for me, it's like saying, okay, like how do I teach people how to truly build wealth? I teach you how to truly build wealth because the stock market is never going anywhere. So if we learn how to truly, yes, I got crypto. Yes, I have 6 figures in crypto. But my crypto don't come from none of my accounts here. I fund my crypto account straight from my account. You feel me? So for me, it's saying, like, how do we truly build wealth? Right? Like, no, like I'm like, yo, okay, this is a crypto account. This is my long-term account. This is my Roth IRA account. This is my dividend account. This is my primary account. This is my options account. They all perform, they make up my portfolio to help me sustainable. Okay, this is my daughter account. Okay, cool. At about 12 years old, I got to start teaching my daughter how to actually trade. You know what I'm saying? So she don't never got to go work for nobody. So she can print money so she can do it if she wants to. Right? So the reason why that's important is because if you don't learn, again, the wealth management is 146. Let me see something. The world wealth management industry worldwide is estimated at $89 trillion in assets under management. The U.S. wealth management industry was worth $29 trillion as of Q3. It is expected to grow to $73 trillion by 2025. So y'all might think I'm lying. Let me show y'all so y'all don't think I'm lying. Right? So y'all don't think I'm lying. Worldwide is 89 trillion. Right? The wealth management is expected to grow to 29.1 trillion. I mean, it was 29 trillion just in United States, in America. And by 2025, it will be a $73 trillion industry, up by 26% from 2020. Up by 26% from 2020. Feel me? So what does that mean? Trap. Why you saying that? Why you saying that like that? Right? Because here's what the world knows. The world knows that, one, people will not take the time to learn how to invest their own money. Right? So if people don't take the time to learn how to invest their own money, right, they're going to do one or two things. One, they're going to just throw money in the market, not knowing what the hell they're doing, and take losses. And then once they take them losses, they're going to do this. Here, man, Take my money, you do it for me because you're on Wall Street. Somebody say the boot camp was amazing. Thank you so much, beloved. Right? You're on Wall Street. You gotta know about money. Same way you feel like, yo, you're a lifeguard. You gotta learn how to swim. You're a doctor. You gotta know about medicine. Right? You're in a bank. You must know about money. You're on Wall Street. You must know about money. So here, let me give you my money to manage it for me. They know that. They know that. And so because they know that the more money because people will always make money. Making money is not really a problem for people. Right? Making money isn't a problem. It's, I don't know what to do with it once I made it. Okay, here, let me give it to Wall Street. Because you're Wall Street. You must know how to make, like you're on Wall Street, you must know how to make money grow. So they know that. But what we don't realize is that we truly have an advantage.